Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to apply a refund, how you can get a refund. So this is an easy process to do. If you want to get to go to the application of Steam, and when you log in your account, you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your profile, and here in details, in the account details, you need to go to the option where it said view purchase history. So I don't have a game. I don't buy a game. I don't buy a game, but here when you buy a game, you got an option for entering this game, and you can ask to Steam to refund that game. So you need to complete uh, two informations to get that refund. You need to do that in the first 40 days after you buy that game, and you need to get uh, you can't play this game for 2 hours or more, because this is the limit for apply for that refund. 2 hours or not more than that. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.